Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to unlock your Schwab Bank debit card. Open the website, then log in using your login ID and password. Once logged in, you will see your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the drop-down arrow beside your profile icon. On the drop-down list, you will see several options. Click on the option that says My Profile. On this page, you will see several tabs. Click on the Debit Cards and Checks tab. On the Debit Cards and Checks tab, you will see a section for debit cards. Under the Debit Cards section, you will see a toggle switch. Toggle to unlock. Then, a pop-up message will appear containing the features of unlocking your card. To proceed, click on Continue. And now you will see that your card is already unlocked. That's how you unlock your Schwab Bank debit card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.